So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to change background color in Capcut. So we have this clip right here. What you want to do first is just click on the clip which you would like to change the background color of. Then go to video, go to remove background and use auto removal. For this function you're gonna need the pro version of Capcut, which you can subscribe to with the link in the description below. Okay, so remove the background. Then you need to go to video, go to basic, and just choose canvas. Here you're gonna choose color and you can open this up and you will be able to see all the colors which you can apply to your video background. So for example, I'm gonna choose this blue one and now I'm just gonna play the clip. And as you can see, I've just changed the background color of my video. Alright, so all in all, this is how to change background color in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.